up fam, Life Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video of Maopoopo. This is my beautiful mama and we're going to react to Polytube nations in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to... Wait a damn minute, it's Thursday guys. So let's switch this up a bit. Welcome to Throwback Thursdays! So it's been a while since we've done Throwback Thursdays. I really do love Throwback Thursdays.
Yeah.
Throwback Thursdays. Sorry
One of
guys.
my favourite segments.
Yeah, 100%. Just...
my only favourite segment of this whole channel.
So for today we're going to be reacting to VANIAH TOLOA featuring Jewel. And what is the track called, Mama B?
Sorry, just from Koko.
Oh yeah, Koko.
Samoa and Maopoopo, mate. Samoan together.
So like we listen to this track almost all the time, but don't be surprised that I don't know the lyrics like every other song.
I listen to it all the time. I still don't know the lyrics.
I
just go with the end bits.
Yeah.
I'm hopeless with it.
And then that's from there it's just like. But honestly, I love the song. I wish I had a clip B. Like we we have this on Fresh. Him and his wife and I think their nephew sings this Tokelau medley. Oh my gosh, it's just their voice.
This guy's amazing and he's only half, isn't he?
Yeah, I think he's a fruit salad. I think he's a mix of. But I think Tokelau is his main language.
Fruit salad.
Yeah, fruit salad. I think when I was watching Fresh interview or something like that. Yeah, fruit salad, babe. But let's just get into a track. I'm ready to sing my lungs out. Let's go. You ready, Mum? It's about to be a show for you guys. No, for you with Beyonce.
Belele toloa ife in my own love iliva yepi uule muanga ngana se ilunga ete mo ilofala be malulu ete mo e mafanafana. Ofea ole neila lulangi te au mawai te mana tualo atunu moni se ilunga ete toe fo imai ile lau ile na fo imai ele tu fai mo tofi.
You ready, Mom?
Samoa
Maopoopo,
hey, yeah.
Oh, best time in Samoa. On his shoulder.
Oh my, yeah, baby, a little lower. Belele ife, I'm a lover in the
Makes me want to go to Samoa, bro.
Samoa ele ngalo tu oe o ola upeni na tau tele ole tomai na tu umutu mai ole ponga yolo uata mai o tifa afechai o autu manai ya wanga fa alo so o se changata leo lo umita Benina oile Pacifica Lofa avai ia tuma Lawanganu ia umau ia fa avavau. Maopoopo mai. Ia e pei o le toloa, pelele I fea ai maulawa I le vai. Samoa Maopoopo mai. Ia e pei o le toloa, pelele I fea ai maulawa I le vai.
Oh, that looks so upcoming.
Ia e pei o le toloa, pelele I fea ai maulawa I le vai. Ia e pei o le toloa, pelele I fea ai maulawa I le vai.
I don't know if I sounded alright, but
No.
you can't not sing to the song.
But you cannot, what was it? You cannot not listen to it and not feel something like almost an emotional attachment to it. It's just
I feel
the
like
voices. I mean, him and his wife, her voice.
her voice is next level.
Reminds
man.
me of back in the days of my voice.
Yeah, I feel we had tape to prove. I mean, so VHS or VTO.
Yeah, just
It's hard not to sing it. Like,
it's hard not to just
go
with
into
it.
you. Like, especially, you know, like if I didn't go Samoa, I feel like I wouldn't have vivid memories as much as I would have wanted to. Like, you know, being able to experience Samoa a little bit when I was younger. I feel like a bit more of an attachment to the song, you know, as probably as if I didn't go to Samoa.
It's amazing. Like even like you said before, the other song, the Tokelau song.
Yeah. Oh,
man. And that one has the lyrics in it, and you just can't help but like sing.
Sing off it, yeah.
And then when his wife sings her bit, it's like all of a sudden you've got this voice that just comes out
all of a
of
sudden
nowhere,
we all
and
feel
you're
like Beyonce.
harmonising with her. Like,
Yeah, you can't not harmonise to VANIAH TOLOA songs, him and his wife singing. You can't not harmonise. They have songs that are so soothing, it makes you just want to sing.
and he's not even full Samoan,
Yeah.
but it just makes you proud. And I can't help but admire this guy and his wife. The perfection, you know, enunciation of the Samoan words.
Bloody hell, man. I just love the song. I want to play it again. It's usually long when I'm listening to it by myself, but when I'm with mum, it seems to go like really fast, and I'm like,
Just also, it's good to listen to it, but it's one of those days where you're in your island vibes. You just feel like listening to just island jams, and then chuck this on. It completes a playlist.
100%,
I have to say that it really does complete your playlist.
This song is just so beautiful, man. VANIAH TOLOA and your wife, thank you so much for blessing us, with this music, your voices. It's just like, we wouldn't even know that we're missing out on this if, these guys didn't make any music and stuff like that. But it's definitely what we need. What I didn't know we would have needed,
It's just one of those songs that will always live on. And
100%.
Most of the songs that we do for throwbacks will always live on.
So please go check out VANIAH TOLOA and his wife. Check out his other music. You won't be disappointed. So please go check his music out. Show him some love. Follow his socials too. Keep updated. Show them some love. And check out that Tokelau medley too.
Yeah, please.
Please. It's on Fresh.
It's just beautiful.
Yeah. Just type up VANIAH TOLOA and Tokelau medley, and if you see Fresh, then that's the one you're looking for. Other than that, fams, much love, stay safe. Hope you guys enjoyed this throwback. If so, add it to your playlist. But much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!